Good morning, fools. It is Halloween, the day before Halloween, and I'm bored. So we're painting some masks. You know that you want me, you know that I want you. The memories haunt me, I know that they haunt you too, but it's alright, you'll be fine. Today is Hallows Eve. It's also a Tuesday, so my band's practicing. So I'm gonna meet up with the boys. I painted some masks for Halloween. Probably aren't gonna use those, but whatever. But for now, Fortnite, this fucking Halloween version or something on here. They got fucking like zombies in this shit. It's lit. Look at it. It's not even letting me play. I couldn't even jump. Why do you hate me, Fortnite? Alright, so yesterday I randomly bought a new pair of shoes and they honestly suck. I don't know why I keep buying Vans, but I read somewhere or heard somewhere sometime that if you microwave them for like 30 seconds, they'll fit better your feet. And right now they suck and I'm hating them. So let's see. Hey. Ready. Alright, so I'm putting them on after 30 seconds in the microwave and I already got one on and it feels a lot better. It feels good, like my foot's like molded. I feel my feet smushing into the shoe, if that makes sense. But yeah, they look the same, but I don't know, I'm gonna walk around. I'll let you guys know later in the video how they're doing. It's like 5:30, I just left the house. Let's go get some food, go meet up with some peoples, see what this world's got to offer. Look who we have here. Go. Hey. Got some Philly cheesesteaks with your boy. Got Timothy here. Let's fucking go. Take me to your mama's house. Take me. Yo, how much boot game discount did we get here?
Bruh, no boot game discount, dog. Sorry.
This fucker. Oh.
Alright.
This is it. This is what we need. You got it? You'll play the Ouija board?
I'll play the Ouija board.
Alright, cool.
Let's do it.
I'm probably gonna buy one, but online. And then I want to go to like a cemetery with one.
No.
And like try it in like creepy places. Yeah, that's how you have to do it.
Don't get lost in me.
It's lit. There's Fortnite shit everywhere. Fortnite's taking over. Alright, so at band practice, the drummer's not even gonna show up. So thanks, Jason. Just kidding. Love you. But I'm just waiting for everybody else to get here. So Kendama time, I guess.
You and I are wearing like inverse outfits. Black and khaki, khaki and black.
Yeah, we all got like the tan going on.
Yeah, right? I thought that you guys like, ooh, organized it. Yeah, I saw that.
Meet Colin for the 4th time, 5th, 6th.
Hey, I don't know who this is. What?
This is the vlog.
Ooh, you vlogging?
Yeah, we made it. YouTube vlog.
1.1 WJRR.
I know it was khaki day, guys.
Seriously. Josh is gonna come here and we're gonna have to yell at him.
If we're not, wait, what if he comes in wearing khaki?
Here's something I wrote. What's an idea?
I already hate it.
Wow. Thanks, fam.
Yo, Josh.
What up, though?
Tell me about your tattoo.
Yo, so this tattoo is actually,
He's got us today. Ready?
got it today. I mean, no pain.
No pain.
No pain.
No pain, no gain, I guess.
Yo, let's do kryptonite. Not playing.
No. No.
Let's do Yellow Submarine. Or Hey Jude.
It hasn't been done, but it's still popular.
Hey, Jude. Make this of autumn
We're
style.
alone in a broken room. Go ahead.
Alone in a broken room. Conversations that I'll never remember. I never wanna let you go.
The more I think about it,
More than I to let you know that
everything you do.
it's super fucking cute.
This was back when I had an emo girlfriend in middle school. It's basically blood on the dance floor without the makeup.
Don't know.
You don't
Oh my
fucking know.
bro.
But,
We about to play some blood on dance Play floor. it.
play sexting.
Dude.
Oh, this is like
Whoa. Rubbing on nipples.
Like, I'm about the music and like the idea I'm trying to do. Not this.
can actually sing this pop punk.
Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
Fucking cheater.
I was ready. Was this an acoustic version?
I mixed the two.
Who's it?
Thy art is murder.
And who knows that?
A lot of people!
Yo, it's DJ Zach here with it. You know, I'm just listening to Lil Peep all day.
Wait, Trip.
Oh my god, not that big!
Alright guys, so it's the next day. I just realized I never filmed an outro. Practice was eh. We didn't even really get to play. We just kind of sat there and just did computer backtrack stuff. The shoes, the Vans, they were actually a lot better after 30 seconds in the microwave. I think that helped, so I'm gonna start doing that to the rest of my shoes. But yeah, that was the day. That's what we were up to. See you in the next one.